Take a deep breath. Let your body relax. Welcome a peaceful new morning. Stretch gently. Feel the energy waking up inside you. Move with calm and intention. Inhale positivity. Exhale stress. Let your mind become light and clear. You are calm. You are strong. You are ready for a beautiful day. See you next bay.